Hey everyone, this is the 24th of December. It's Shai with you from VTrender, and I'm back with some profile charts of the Nifty. This is the Nifty spot we're looking at on our screens right now, and we just gonna find out where the profile points the Nifty to be as we move into the year end. Okay, so on your left you have a weekly bar chart of the Nifty, weekly bars showing the highs, the lows, and the close, okay, in the rectangle in pink, as well as the trading range which is there. And on the right, this is the trading range, this is the close, and on the right, okay, we have the market profile chart. I tend to do a lot of my analysis on the weekly, which is my preferred time frame to look at what the market is doing, and I prefer to work with a spot chart against a futures chart. Do I trade intraday on a futures charts and work with levels on a futures chart only? The thing is, okay, it tends to give me a more realistic view about what the market has been doing over the past 3 to 4 weeks out, and what we expect it to do in the in the days ahead. Yeah, so just looking at this bar chart of the Nifty, we can see, okay, that this last uptrend began from 9687. We hit 9831. 9955 was the low, 10175. Okay, and then 10324 was the last low before, okay, we started moving down again. Okay, so it's quite clear from the bar chart as well that the Nifty was in green. Okay, green candles, okay, would tell you that price is strong, and the profile is the market is trending upwards. Okay, but what really happened over here, it hit 10490, and there was a sudden drop to 10254. Okay, then, okay, that drop extended to 100094, another up and down, and then, okay, finally, okay, we got the up move again, right? So this was on the bar chart. Okay, but the same chart, if you were to look from a profile perspective, yeah, and I have this chart here, the market profile chart from the same period. So I've got let me just pull that chart up again. Okay, right, so I have the same chart here of the spot, same period, and we can see here that just before the 9th of October we had this low over here. Yeah, 25th of September, this period, okay, we hit 9687 right here. Okay, and then this was the next candle, which was the 2nd of October, which we see here, where the market, okay, started going up. And then the next one, 9th of October, okay, we had this structure, then the balance here on the 16th of October, and this and the profiles, okay, kept trending up till the 30th of October. Yeah, where these four candles are. Right now, this is all good. Okay, you're getting a great uptrend over here. You're seeing open highs, lows, and close. But what I get to see a little bit more in my profile chart is that I can see volume sidestepping upwards. Yeah, this blue horizontal line on my charts is just the volume, and it is sidestepping upwards. That means the move is backed by volume, right? So this is the 25th of September. Highest volume came here around 9822. Then, okay, the volume traded, okay, was almost equal here at 9910, then 9980. Then, okay, we had a great chunk of volume here at 1016, and this market closed here. This dot over here is the closing price, similar to what we have over here. So all this volume was on the buy side, and we know, okay, because the price, okay, moved up. So all these buyers, okay, were very much in control of price action. Yeah, and we have a balanced structure over here again. Okay, volume was shifting up, and finally what really happened over here, volume, okay, shift right to the top of the profile. Okay, now that is not something, okay, you would be very comfortable with if you're watching a profile chart. Volume at the top of a profile, okay, could be that longs are coming in very late into the game, as well as, okay, it could also mean from an order flow perspective that there are sellers coming into the equation now, okay, and they are wanting to move price lower, right? So what happened, okay, subsequently with this high volume, okay, which was traded on the 30th of October around 10440 levels, okay, the next week, okay, the volume, the market dropped, okay, it fell down to about 10106. Then, okay, there was again volume, okay, coming in at the lows. The market, okay, rose the week after that. Again, okay, it could not manage to go beyond this high volume point of 10440. Okay, and most of November was spent hitting the lows of about 10034. Okay, so it chopped, okay, in this range over here, but it could not take out this high volume point over here. And then there was subsequently more selling which came in over here at these 2 points, right? So we've been identifying these two levels on our chart for quite some time. In fact, our video on the 3rd of December identified these 2 points as being held by active sellers, initiative sellers, who pushed the index down. In that same week, the Nifty had closed down to about 10114. Okay, subsequently, okay, volume, okay, came at the lows and there was a rise, but then again, okay, it could not, okay, really go up over here. Okay, now what happened, okay, in this week, the week, okay, which went by, okay, there was a little bit of chop in the first 2 hours, first 1 hour of the week. The market came down, okay, from this point. The open was somewhere here. It went down, visited this high volume point. Okay, and remember, okay, this high volume point, okay, is held by buyers. We've been speaking about this, okay, in our Twitter daily post. It visited this high volume point and it rocked back up. But what was more interesting was this particular move, it came above this high volume pocket. Yeah, it came up above these high two volume points, and all this auction of this week is above this high volume pocket. Okay, what we also know from the profile chart of this week is that the bulk of the volume is traded at 10420 and 10474. Okay, the market has spent some time at 10420 this week and 10474. Okay, and it is about 10380, 10340, and this is the closing price. Okay, so if the closing price is above the high volume clusters, and in this case we have four high volume clusters, then the path of least resistance is to be upwards, right? That is the market profile way of looking at things. What is the market doing? It is going up. Is it doing a good job going up? Yes, it is, because, okay, the majority of volume traded in the market, price is above the volume point of control is the place where the highest volume is traded, right? So this is the big advantage of looking at a profile chart as against a bar chart. We get to see what the volume picture is. Okay, now trust me, guys, okay, I have no quarrels with anyone, okay, looking at a candlestick chart or any other price based chart and arriving at that analysis. It's fine. If it's working for you, it's good. Okay, but as a trader, for me, it makes most sense to look at where the volume is in the market, who is entering, based on what volume in the market. Volume is the key. It is the record of trade. It can tell you whether the market has gone up too far ahead, whether, okay, there are players who are upside down. And it's not only about buying and selling in this market, it's about people who, I like to say, are upside down. You know, the stop losses are the reasons the market will drop faster uh, than it takes, okay, to rise up. Okay, it's not because, okay, there was more aggressive selling at the top. It's because, okay, some people were upside down. And you have to see in a market not just where buyers or sellers are, you also have to visualize where the market is got its major players, whether they are on the buy side or the right side of the market, or they are upside down. Yeah, back to this chart, the Nifty. Here's what we feel for the week ahead as we head into the year end. This is all good. Okay, as I mentioned in my blog report also this week, as long as we trade above these volume pockets where the bulk of trade has happened, this structure is intact, and upside levels are open to about 10,630 kind of levels. Okay, this is based on a projection of volume which we have seen. Okay, we analyze all this information which is come in this bracket. Okay, we see okay what price is done in this bracket, and we arrive at a volume picture based on what the structure has been. So this is 10,3 380 to 10,100, so it's about a 280 point bracket, and you just have to multiply that up over here against this price, and you'll arrive okay at your figure. So 10,630 is what we're looking at. It could stretch up to about 1070. As long as price stays above this, okay, it is good. Okay, the buyers are in control now. Okay, the seller has been overcome, this seller has been overcome, this seller has been overcome. Buyers are in control right now. But for some reason, okay, if the market decides to go past these volumes again in this week ahead, then the drop okay could come back okay to this high volume zone. The market would come back to this point to check for business. Okay, so this is it, guys. Okay, keep it simple. Okay, with your knowledge of volume profile, market profile. Volume is the key to what happens in the market. It's the record of trade. Okay, price can tell you what is happening, but volume can tell you what is going to happen next. You know okay where the volume in the market is, where it has been traded, where the records are, and then okay you arrive at a picture about what the market is going to do. Okay, thank you for listening in, guys. I'll sign off. Just to bring to your attention that we are doing a workshop on market profile and order flow in Pune on the 3rd of Feb. Okay, so in this I've been speaking to you in these videos about the importance of volumes. Volume plays a big role in what we are doing, but there are lots of other terms in market profile which are beneficial, which could help you. So head over here at Vitrender Live Workshop Pune checkout. Save this link. It's Vitrender Live Workshop / Pune, or just Google okay Vitrender Workshop, and you would be taken to this link. Head over here, and hope to see you and to discuss more live the concepts of market profile and how market generated information can help you do a better job at trading. Thank you for listening in, guys. Have a rocking year ahead.